This is already done, but this is a Ferris IS 2100Z, 61 inch, so it has 7 pulleys total on the deck, not counting the one at the engine. This is belt routing and belt installation. I just put this belt on, but I'll show you a little bit about how it's done. You do not have to remove any pulleys. You do not have to remove that block or that idler pulley. You start your belt from the, if you're sitting on the mower, to be left side, the non-discharge side, and you loop it over this outer pulley, and then everything, the rest of the belt goes together and inside both halves through here. I'm going to route inside this pulley, which is an idler. You come off the inside of that pulley there and go outside of this. This is your middle blade drive pulley. So you're outside of that. Then you go back inside another idler here, outside of the discharge side drive pulley, back to the inside, another idler. In fact, there are 2 idlers here, and you can see this is where the 2 ends of the belt depart and go back to the engine pulley, as you can see way back there. Now, to make it easier, and it is easier, if you will loosen, you don't have to remove it, but I loosened it all the way out to the tip of the eye bolt to relax this spring and unhook this spring to get the belt routed so I could move the idler pulleys around without resistance. Then when you've got the belt on, you reconnect that. When you're all done, you check your manual. You need 12 inches. This is how you adjust the spring. You need 12 inches from here to here. 12 inches of coil on this spring. You may have to insert, you still may have to insert a 1/2 inch breaker bar, which I did. And that goes right there, and that gives you a little bit of torque so that you can pull your pulley back around, or pull your belt, I'm sorry, pull your belt back around this outer drive pulley here. I didn't tell you up front, but you want to do this one last. So you want this part of the belt to be just loose underneath or inside all of this. Then when you're done, before you reconnect your spring, use your breaker bar right there. Give you leverage, put slack in the system against the spring. You loop that belt over this pulley here and let off the breaker bar. You may want to go ahead and lubricate your Zerk fittings while you can get to everything. Inspect all of your idler pulleys. Make sure everything is in good shape, clean. All the bearings are in good shape. And that's it. You're good to go.